So right now you are at the Old Goa attending the 18th exposition.
Yes.
So how was your experience previously attending?
Uh, this year it is a little bit crowded. Normally it was less crowded and there was more serenity as such. Not just crowded. We cannot do that in addition as we used to do before. Okay, I'm feeling good. Because I come here for some purpose and I've asked for not favors as such, just for my good being.
So today the December 3rd, even the feast mass has happened. Have you attended the feast mass?
Not really, but I was at the end of it. The crowd was too much. I had to park the car very far, so I could not make it.
Sir, you've been a part of the veneration line. Veneration line is very big.
Very
Have you,
big. It took me 1.5 hours.
as
At this age of mine, I did not take any of the senior category.
sir, as you enter the say Cathedral Church, you have seen the sacred relics of Saint Francis here. How was that experience being inside and seeing it?
Really good inside. You can really feel when you are listening with the serenity inside there, the huge space and the silence there. You really feel, relieved with your sufferings, whatever they are there, at least for some time being.
So previously you might be attended the novenas feast. This is the 18th exposition. So how many expositions you attended, sir?
I attended about 3.
This time arrangement is special. So can you recall previous this thing and now?
The arrangement is too tedious this time. So not like this, because there was no much of fear like other time. There will be some agitation or some terrorist activity. Now the activities of terrorism or some extremism has come up, and so it is too tedious now.
So right now you are at the electrical carriage. This is used for the procession of the Saint Francis Xavier. Casket has been kept on this. This is the new one. You have seen this?
No, I have not. I have not experienced. I have only come after that because it takes very long and a lot of planning to come on that particular day, particular time. That's about it. Because I am not from here. I am from Margaon.
Okay. So as you have been attending Old Goa feast and the novenas, any of your memories associated with the Old Goa which you like to share with us?
Not a particular memories as such, but only memories is that it was better before, less crowd. You could attend, go in the church, pray, be with the Saint Xavier for some time. Now it is just, lightning.
So as we come to the feast and we go to the ferry, mostly people purchase the chanas. Which are you eating right now?
Yes.
So every time you purchase this,
Yes, every time I purchase. That is our belief or our saying, or you have a feeling that, okay, I brought something from here, it's blessed by Saint Xavier, whatever there is inside your body may go off.
sir, your full name?
My name is Manan Vaz.